solve a fork cone that is kind of askew off. They want us to use pi. In place of pi, they want us to use the fraction 22.7. The formula for this cone, we have 18 millimeters for the radius, 35 millimeters for the height. The formula for volume, because we're going to solve for volume, is going to be 1/3 base, 1/3 times base times height. So, first of all, what's the base? The base is the circle, so we need to figure out the area of a circle. So we're going to figure out pi r squared equals area. So we're going to plug things in. 22/7 times 18 squared, because the radius is 18, and we're going to square it. And you plug it in if you have a calculator, and you replace 18 squared as 324. Now you have 22 over 7 times 324. Now you can see if you can somehow divide 7 into 324 to shorten the math up a bit. So I'm going to figure it out on my calculator. And you can follow along and do it too. And of course, it's not going to make it any better, so we're going to do it long ways. So 22 times 324 is, now you might hear my dogs in the background, I'm sorry, is 7,128. So 22 times 34, and then of course we're going to put the 7 underneath, because we're just cross multiplying. So 7 times 324 is going to be 7. So you see how that comes out. So now we have the area of our circle. So now we are going to plug everything in. Since we've got the area of this, we go up to the volume and plug things in. So volume equals 1/3 times 728, 7128, excuse me, over 7 times the height, which is 35 millimeters. And there's nothing in there. And then we start doing our math. You can cross over and go straight over, or you can just see if you can shorten things up. We can do 7 into 35, right? And we can see 7 goes into 35 5 times. So now you can also figure out if 3 goes into 7,208. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Plus 1 is 18. So you can put, so 3 goes into 18, by the sense that you can multiply 3 into 18. So cross that out too, right? So 3 times 7, or 3 into 7 is 2. And then we carry, or we see, so basically you do that division, right? So do it that way, or you do it this way, however you want to do it. So let's try it this way so you can see it better. 3 divided by 3 I'm writing it wrong. 700,028. Okay, 3 goes into 7 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. So 7 take away 1. 7 take away 6 is 1. Then we can do, keep going. 2, 7, 1, 6. So it's going to be 2, 3, 7, 6. So now we got it down to just the simple 2376 times 5. And put it in the calculators if you want, or you can do it longhand, whatever you feel. And the answer comes out is 11,880. Make sure you put it in right. We have millimeters here, so it's millimeters. And volume is always cubed. So our answer is 11,880 millimeters cubed. And so if you look at your answer, it's not going to match any of these except for C. All right. Like and subscribe. I did this especially for my friend Ashley. We're doing our finals. But if this helped you, like and subscribe and share. Appreciate it. Bye.